Difu Ru Samsung Sing Ingti akiban Amir Birialong, Ru Samsung Sing Ingti akumlin ke pangni. Hamren constituency telehoralong APHL siatum pen kang dang mai kang ni. Kang sirtang kijun alang Arnovi drops kasilamadim ingkir dangji lapen a license ing thanangji SYJ KSU. Karbi prime time along pinili Willabon Krupi non bir tang ton pen arjoik tha. Karbi adorbar ki jengsi akong chun bang mate khayami lor Samsung Sing tia kumlen thang thang ingkora troxiani difu Samsung Sing ingti akiban Amir Barialong pangni sirat angno paklang pontanglo.
Difu Civil Hospital ki damatowa long ki do Samsung Sing ingti chikimu Amir Barialong kapangni Karbi adorbar ki jengsi akong chun bang ru Samsung Sing ingti akumlin thang thang ingkora troxiani Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang kumlin kidip ape ingpu si ru Samsung Sing ingti kumlin rad angno paklang alang likhaya melur Samsung Sing ingti alam la penakama ban kimo tamsi toxic pra isiang deng ru Samsung Sing ingti karliarni borpung tarapung along Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council team pen talon damji busi CM Ronghang ningche kumlin kapangni amayalong pinang ani la pen secretary CM Taro pen chenglok Deputy Secretary Saipu Atum Chitongdun Kachini ji aphan ladak chithan me ru Samsung Sing ingtia kumlin ke soya a hemai lake kumlin hemai de bentimung alang lia prang ake bana kumlin ta alang lisi ke soy pusi chithan
Hamren constituency ke parluang kang tel horalong APHL siatum pen thang thang ni phaing kora troxiani kangda amai ke padupon birta pherang ke beren inghipen katni salong birta nang pali Hamren constituency telehora long APHL siatum pen kangdang amai ki padupon kangdang amai long APHL siasong japo jai kathar pen lam thike jai pon ki 24 plus organization atum electoral roll apathak chesong lo la soja Guwahati High Court pen Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council atum aphan 6 sedular on ateng pen akimi electoral roll pasalam toilo seta haibang vedat lo pusi jai la sila haya sai ki pachun je aphan election chepati dunang kok puputa ningji ASTC Ratcharia song dum pen 1995 aningkan MOU alam brai ka chetogalo ki chokche thedung do Karbi Anglong along le phelang ke kona so tuma phan jorlong le lapen nongnam dengdun bor ilong le bangso MOU penajok longli nang kinam longji aron thowak loputa alang lihin pen jai
24 plus organization pen la voter list kaselam la pen law election a law kaselam la so kam chesong bom lo high court pen da order one le seta council atum la claim credit la athema high court ke nilitum si ke chesong lo seta nilitum phande law selam non puni tum phanang pupe athema ni tunge election men lika high leader ke di ange ilitum democratic country pina ke ilitum ke lama si democratic pen election ke high tum phan si toy nang ko kala high court ta la se high court tum council phan pulo seta high council tum claim credit la claim credit lo pulo tante next ke ilitum democratic ateng masi chesong nangji democratic pen chesong nei pulvet election ki thur hello non ke election thur pen itum political mandate and pen rat atum ajakong and pen lasi nelitum si nelitum aphan anke high court ani tum hanang puun lo nang tum le law selam non punang puun po ange ni tum selam long po la posi ne tum election thur nangji pu matha thurong lo APHLC pen seta 24 plus organization pen ke ni tum election thur the pulo ke ti la sini tum ching wai lo ka do 24 plus organization ka do ve tum pen la sini tum la all party leaders conference ku aku bi thu ko ni tum akapret akimi a song leke seng gali lage 1961 aning kan si la so lo la so a party ke seng la pen la so party ke seng la so party ke 1969 aning kan autonomous state one at lake kerema party gali ke high party lage
APHL siatum pen telehor indoor stadium along mai kidoji puajau ia mongol sing timung omoni datum gate inkir check pata APHLC klembang phatum pen akoi pipon
jahau talanang mari dun check hala stadium hem telehor stadium hem dumati di dala stadium hem kopi posi mohon sing timung nangi kim chol open state ku kosong se open state san kipu lake alang lida chini lapen indoor stadium kopi indoor stadium pugi kipuma alang lida chini ente dak kopi posi lahai nang kipi cholo bang jok song le ladak dodun mane meeting nang do pusta la mol sing timu avokat me tala mari cheketi mol sing timu kosong lo a meeting choti la ta lang litum si pudan nang bete kama thang
ane mol sing timu meeting si dak dolong choti
dolong chora teng lo ente bele ka song si nang do bete alang dum tala mari dum chekti lagi pudan nang bete alang tham katang na mol sing timu avokat satung koi me melo kalima ni jitu tel hor dadel all hamret constituency yang moke mol sing tim mu jitu ka cheplang chok chepone ni tum ke pinram lo lapen pudam nang plote la dake chainong ke kok lo plote padam lo tala khuli to dapta chainong ke kok atum ke wang lo ma piposi tala bon chek ma pu mang hu prong lo chainong kok tum ta ende chainong chelo ma palut lo munit tum pine asang no meeting do plote palut lo le chainong chelo indoor studio ma chainong chelo feel lo mol sing tim mu ngalang ma thadam pamini lapen avo personal ma thani lagi dak tel hor lo kia tu mol sing timung along a beki dun ta katang na thu paro lagi la sing itu mai pinram pon itu nindo be la soran mage bangjo ko dolong ni
MP election ho thur du nang kok po sine tu ma thalo bang nang pi nang pe hai he jo sin nang pe hai he det tang te hala nang pe hai he tum ke Karbi ang long che jordet nang pu ani ke hang atum lagi klang dak po
benak ana riso yang tulong silam bar tulong do hala bang suhul hem pre kelong tang los tamenon ke duwang biren sing ti lapen ke rongbong terang ala hai tum chekroi dun de pulam thina ni konsi
lagi a hokalam lagi rongbong terang ta hala kagos long thek long lapen joysing terang alang li ta lo non ke joysing terang ga alang li ka avedet lo non ke advocate ahutisi alang li lapen ke la non ke dobom kay tuman talo la biren sing ti kala so ke elected among ni te kali se ta alang li autonomous state nang ni tu se alang li ta tok dun lo dhoniram rongpi soy terang sotro sing terang na ke hai la pen ke hala joy sing doloi la pen ke joy bhodro hajar la tum helu autonomous state ke war tum lo 1969 aninga
lap so posi non pinyan da Karbi tong
chesong nang bom lo ange non ke long tu the det lo non ba la po setan ni tu APHLC peng la lok sa ku ke chesong tu po ka chesong yi polo te election hai nang yi la to ke
si APHLC pen ko an si pangdangi
ni tu pangdang anya pangdang po pulo muten ni tu poisa tang ka we la helo kisung ke
chong gadi di sumara tum penang social media long kita pon thek long de MOU la bang swa sign long kunat ne ke chok che du kunang di ke thek dam long kunat si chok che
ladak non nili ar purlo te derwer et po non het nang litum hanang klang lo lage 1995 aning kan haladak part 2 sub paragraph 3 along haladak ke tok du ko jen land alienation pula alienate puke lake nelong dokok lo non bang apan pidet le bang pon bor idet ame la bang hedi ke pon bor in ki pi teng nang ni pon bor idet ame la son apan si alienation pu la ke alienate pu la ke alienate ke verb lo alien pu ke foreign pu la ke la son la alam ke la si hala da ke 6 schedule teng paragraph 3 long ke bang apan long legi pi ke chiat pan long legi pi ke Assamese pen pudam lo te pros non ute lage kacing kiji akam da ve pilong le lo akam ave lo lage puyin hala 60 long ke toke paragraph 3 long ke amat 1995 aninkan ASDC atum mathakrang lo neli ma tha dak bongo senatum dodu bongo senatum ko pinevi dun lo amat ilitum akadu veta office ke claim bom lo kelang bom atum kalidet apojo amasi mathadun krang lo amat hala bang phan ki pinang ne alam ba bang ki thi pon pe ne alam la ke dak 60 long pe do kok nang gi pomat pe to pe pa pe do kok amat 1995 September 12 arni hala 60 ke emen along hala dak paragraph 230 along pada tok dun det bang phan pitame
labang solam ke hok to seta nang lipen join torong pi apor ahu desi ka pajir pula dolang musa pores lane hala so por nang itu labang so ka
discuss ki ahok lam men pulo te nelia mata la solam chimi dam go edat le thek long lo seta mata krang lo nelia mata neli ta ke thek o bang lidet mati amasi mata krang lo neli ange non mata thu lo neli tu hala Arni si het governor long ta dam lo hai. Je bang phan long le pinang ne 1959 aninkan council tum loga selam je bang phan long le executive committee kroilo te bang phan long le pi un pohalada tok de section 3 along 1915 land transfer law pun like Mikir Hills Transfer of Land Act 1959 polo tok de amat la support bongali amuni inu de pu apisu ke chomang pi ha Supreme Court la pen High Court long case claim lo ni tum phan long le nang pi un nang pi nang ji pu amat Supreme Court la High Court ta pulo nang pi un e la 1959 kaselam alo executive committee tum aning hang te pi un pu la ke chok chi pada pu thip lo la ke illegal void pu sa da to void void pu la so lo ke void la ke chok chi pu sa da pu thip lo sita non ke 1995 long aku to on to that lo ke di ki pg ning hang te pi ta me pu lo ke again non ke hala 1959 ke chok chi a lo ta nang ke chok chi plan to that le la hello ilitu along le an ke bang che rai la po no la hala 1959 a lo non ke ka cancel ji ta sum krum lo adema la 1995 ningkan alienation po alam the aku pudun to that le lo ke la po je la si ili tumang pong chi putor baret ke abinong ke chokchi abinong ing ni proman hedi chingki dat na ya salam seta ko puson no ma ko arling lam pen si chingki chor nang ibang phan ke pachini uno no pusini lia mata la si neli tum pe parlong ke tok ta Karbi alam men tok chak la
non hejong khot khutia long arnavi drops bu kangsir tangki chuna lang mate package drinking water kangsiradim kangthir thela pen kidam tangar ni arnavi drops alang bong arlo pen thermocol achet kilong pathak syj la pen ksu tumpen kangkir nangji la pen license ta ing thanang ji pura thang ni phai ingkora chogar ni bokajan sub division ang kang prek jama dimalong poster ki pabona birta pherang ke pen birta nang pale Arnavi drops pukang sir tangki juna lang kasela madim prabjin pen inkir nang jila pen license itami ing than nang ji palam pen SY jila pen KSU song atum pen ke hang pado alang li tum pen bokojan sub division ang kang prek jama dimalong SY jila pen KSU claim bang phatum poster ke babona sai ki deng labang swalong kang sela lang adim inkir nang jila pen license itami ing than nang ji palam nang kyang ike non hejong labang so alanga bong arlo long thermocol chat long lok lapen ang litum pen kang seradi malong humri dam pen ke thek dam long ke ter ke air lapen kasaur hektik pusang litum pen pachini nomalam so por phan birta moing tumon iksina
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now, how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit, which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it, simultaneously, we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds. And simultaneously, there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically, what the VVPAT does is, it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number, and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests a returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the control unit. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked, and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust, and integrity machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU, and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework, and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief, and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Report lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalong Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma konat lo lake.
Difui tiarlo Iron Bridge adu rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pensor lo du kapamada dim lo
Kalangma
Kalang lo ke chengsi sopin so la pensor lo phan kapamada dim Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor nang litum lada hair straightening 40% off along hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti facial 50% off haircut 50% off pedicure and manicure 50% off hair color 25% off hair curls 30% off hair smoothing 40% off hey hui long ponikti Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Wrong Karbi, Wrong Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor
Lasinang itong napadari pinbin ang humrig mo.
Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hiti kulat along long pon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, teso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, telua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu long pon ikji.
Dinamo people third biota long bangthulo Karbi Farmers Association atom pen thang ni phaing kora choksiani difuru Samsung sing India mir biria long mir ke edam biota pherang ke pen card ni sa hema long biota nang pali
Thang ni phaing koira ner kebarni choksi kebrai siang deng ru Samsung sing inti Karliarni ka chikimo jaimek padoponji lasi thang ni phaing koira choksiarni Karbi Farmers Association amaipu Avinas Hanse pen Jalin Ponsi mir ke yasai kedeng
Association ada Central Committee kan sih labang so asai banyak deng kalau ada Central so labang so park lo ketang mode ala indeng chok sik kebra si kecok dia anniversary kecok so kecikmu hek son sini itu song dan cuma thasi labang so park ketang ya saya kedeng kalau sini itu near ke April 8 heki orang orang ni April sini itu yang selesai
Police station lapen ingna right komasai khia tumdona dilai lapen hidipia hawar pen ongnu ingna malong ador kido hormukai kia mat kipon kang hupon lokta chechardun dia son pusi cherokta orat tumpen thangthangni phaing kora chokoni kadin salong biuta nang pale ajowang ma thengpi kang hu koila ki phur arlong sangti aron repen kiroi pon lokta langdun dinga ma dot tumke kilang karjulong lapen ki thekdun longata therak meset pherang ke pen kahon bidam hur ke thekdam long ke dilai koila lang swalong ajowang mat koila ki phur pen karbiang long pen angtan ke pon ki phura di malong an ki palia hut inut na ta thekdam long li lapen ihuma truck koila ki pleng set nep dam long sita truck ka tewara bang adi malong avi halabang swa hawara ra phan karju dam pen nang ki thakdun ke Anil Gupta pamunitsi kisan pon pusi pachini moiso killing along forest check gate do pusitame TP chalan ing than thisaron repen sang tikipon lason thak si ram sapathar borjan hawar kimi tichom arong lapen long nit pen kewana sang TP chalan ke hangdun nang jala tangkasi rungrong puta inut truck ka tewara bang samsing tok bi pen ningje arun repen koila sang tiar long lapen thengpi ke pon kang huatum tangka ki pinang Langmili Forest West Division along Sika Pharu isi Tichom Arong along Sika Pharu isi Longnit Forest along Sika Pharu isi Manja Forest along Sika Pharu hini Manja Police atuma phan Sika Pharu isi Dilai Forest East along Sika Pharu isi Dilai Thana along Sika Pharu isi 10 miles Forest East lapen West along Sika Pharu Pli kadoko ben tangka ke pinang Sika Suri isira Pharu Pli an pusi pachini kedam ta aningkan mate Suri hini rakrener cap aningkan mate jonga chikloni phai pho anita KSA Dilai HDP Rapen Kuligao Chilang Petsi Aron Raven Forest Hormuk Ponlong Lelu Pupa Chatak Dera Pita Kang Hotum Kroy Krek Hangjang Birta bang kila pans kang ton paniklo domi thakme kurang thu